It's really pretty in the area.
The wildlife, the scenery.
Lots of trees, lots of greenery.
I find the area very friendly, people are friendly.
Lots of friends, and we got lots of friends.
I feel really lucky to be from around here.
You know, it's a nice place to live.
It's a marvellous place to be.
Because there's so many nice things like this. Like, look, there's a brilliant view of a mountain but there with all these trees and the autumn leaves. Love it.
We love the park.
Well, we are lucky in this part of the world. There are an awful lot of parks. It's a beautiful park.
Country parks, the mountains.
It's just a wonderful environment to have on your back door.
If you want wildlife, this is a place to come.
You know, it's on our doorstep. We wouldn't want anything more, really, could you?
There's plenty to do.
You can ride across the top of the mountains.
Track's really good. It's good, man. I bring the whole family.
Also places we can share with the family.
The lovely walks you can go on.
You know, we've got everything here.
Always something beautiful to see.
We'll be coming back again soon.